Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to use the digital touch in message on iPhone. Very simple. First of all, open the message application. Then you can create a new message or open any existing conversation. Then here you can see the plus button. Tap on this one. Then tap on the option more. Then here you can see the option digital touch. Tap on this one. So if you want to set an animated gestures, then tap and hold on the here area using two fingers. Let me show you. You can see the animated gestures you can see here. Then take your fingers. You can see this automatically sent. So if you want to send a animated drawing, just draw anything using your fingers like this. Then tap on this app button. You can see the animated drawing you can see here. Okay, so here you can see one video button. So if you tap on this one, it will automatically open the front camera, and then you can record the camera video and you can directly send as message. So simply in this way you can use the digital touch in message on any iPhone. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.